Many times we got this question. Can we install, can I create assets in FA with multi-currency codes like USD, GBP, INR? Functional currency asset lines only it will be installed. You can't create other than functional currency, ledger currency as an example. I have the corp book INR. I purchased machinery from India vendor with INR. I can install only INR currency. I purchased machinery from American vendor. He given the USD. You entered $1,000. Exchange rate 83. It will install 83,000 INR in FA book. So logically, corp books will allow to create only functional currency amount only, ledger currency amount only. It will not allow other than functional currency. Clear?